I am taking advantage of this nicer weather to go ahead and find some of my impacted spots in my lawn, and I'm going to be using this Landsea fork aerator. Now before we get started, you can find this down in the TikTok shop. Be sure to check it out. First, you've got 3 solid tines. These things are super long. Just check out how long those are. So each one of these tines, this from here to the tip is 4 inches. From here to the tip is about 6.5 inches. I found that it probably goes in about 4.5 inches, which is much longer than any other fork aerator that I have seen. Plus, this thing is made out of solid steel. Not 2 pieces, it's not aluminum, it's solid steel. This thing has some good weight to it. A lot of those other aerators that I see are like aluminum and they come in multiple pieces and you have to screw them together, and they just aren't as stable. If you're gonna spend some money on a high quality tool, this is the one. It's got some weight to it. I can literally just throw it into the grass and it's gonna stick. Got 2 areas where you can push. Right there in the middle, full, really wide, so you can stick, if you got wide feet, you can stick that on there, and you can also push from the top if you want a little bit more leverage on that as well. I'm gonna go ahead and aerate this little area here. This is a super impacted spot. This is where snow sits and settles. And one thing I like about this is if your tines do get damaged at all, you can replace these as well, so that is definitely a bonus. American company, be sure to check it out. I'll leave it down in the link below. This is also a very beneficial tool if you plan on doing any spot seeding as well.